I'm going to show you exactly how to bulk create quote posts in Canva using the Bulk Create app. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate quotes, import them into Canva, and automatically create multiple designs in just a few clicks. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, we need your content in an Excel sheet saved as a CSV file. For this tutorial, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 50 motivational or inspirational quotes. Once you have the quotes, open Excel or Google Sheets and paste them there. After that, save your file as a .csv format. Next, log in to your Canva account. On the home page, click Create and choose a portrait-sized canvas. Once your blank design opens, go to the Designs tab on the left-hand panel and choose any template you want to use for your quote posts. Now on the same left-hand panel, scroll down and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Bulk Create, then open it. Hover your cursor to the bottom of the panel and click Upload to upload the file containing your quotes. Once uploaded, select the text box on your canvas where you want the quote text to appear. Then, click Connect Data and choose the column with your quotes. Finally, click Continue, and Canva will automatically generate multiple quote posts all at once. When you're done generating your designs, click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose MP4 for the best quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You've now created multiple professional quote designs in Canva using Bulk Create. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for growing your content on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or Facebook. To learn more Canva tricks, don't forget to check out our free 20-minute masterclass for beginners. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.